going to unbox this Mercury Gooseberry case for my Samsung Galaxy Tab 3V. So let me just quickly unbox this package, please. As you guys can see, I purchased this unit from local retailers at 1199 rupees. So let me just quickly unbox this case, please. So you guys can see this case is blue and lime green in color, and the finish of this case is very good. It's really nice. So let me just quickly fit my tablet into this cover. Here's my Samsung Galaxy Tab 3V. As you guys can see, now my tablet is fitted into this cover and these holes are correct in position, as you can see. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe me for more videos.